Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to check the status of your Morgan Stanley credit card application. So to check the status of your Morgan Stanley credit card application, you just have to follow the steps. First of all, you could go ahead and contact the customer service or the credit card application status hotline. The number should be available on the Morgan Stanley website or on the application confirmation email that you've received. Or else you could also go ahead and check your email you received after submitting your application. It may contain a link or instructions on how to check your application status. And apart from it, if you have an existing online account with Morgan Stanley, you can log in to check if there is any options to view your application status as well. And if you have a financial advisor at Morgan Stanley, they might be available to assist you with checking the status of your application. Or else you could just visit the Morgan Stanley branch and inquire about the status of your application. Now make sure you have your application reference number or any other identification detail handy when checking your application status. So that is how you can check your application. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.